the day I left her side. Today I got this letter. She said she wanted to be my bride. I'm gonna go and get my Cajun baby and settle down on the old bayou. We need a lot of shrimp and crawfish and ride around in my old road. I said, oh, way down yonder in the bayou country in dear old Louisiana. That's where lives my Cajun baby. She's the fairest one in the land. Now her teeth are white, curly hair black as coal. Wouldn't trade his Cajun baby for all the world's gold. Way down yonder in the bayou country in dear old Louisiana. Yeah. Till the sun comes up this morning, well, I'll be by my way. I got me a Cajun baby, and with her I'm gonna stay. Then on a Saturday night we go a dancing. We're gonna listen to the fiddle play. Lord, I got me a Cajun baby. She's a living and a loving on the old